An interesting feature of the UNIX shell is the pipe. It allows to use the output of one program as the input of another program. Let's create a quick example to demonstrate it. Here is how it should be used. The script pipe.sh does something with the output of echo. Let's write something for pipe.sh. We read the input and print it between double quotes. The read command reads line by line. So if we only have one line, here is what we get as output. Now let's try the same thing on multiple lines. As we can see, each line is between double quotes, as expected. So I hope it was useful. See you next time.